Hi, this is Tanya and welcome to my channel Chef Tanya Rannaghar. Let's make healthy breakfast Chhattisgarh style Indian dumpling. It is very tasty as well as good to eat. For creating the dumpling, I am using atta, rava, salt and ghee. Now add water slowly to create a dough. Now make a paste using coriander leaves, ginger, green chili, salt, sugar and 5 hours soaked chana dal. Now create round shaped pieces from the dough and stuff the dal mixture in it. Now create a dumpling shape by hand. Add oil in boiling water and set the dumpling for boil. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. Strain the excess water and divide the dumpling in two pieces. Now fry the dumpling in ghee, oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, salt and red chili powder and fry the dumpling for 2 minutes. At last, add fresh coriander leaves and grated coconut. Do try and enjoy. See you again on next video. Till then, tata.